The sign is so small, but it's surprisingly big inside. Unbox Sala VIP PAU CASALS lounge. Very cozy seating area. Good selection of afternoon tea buffet. Must take a shower.
Hi, I'm Tree Papa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together.
Welcome to Barcelona. This city is famous with its creative buildings and delicious tapas, JAMÓN Iberico and paella. But can you find the same vibe in the airport lounge? Before we dive into that, let me share how I got here. I flew Swiss A320neo from Zurich to Barcelona in economy class, exploring Swiss Senator lounges and priority pass lounges. If you're curious about the economy class paid meal, check the link below. Now back to Barcelona Terminal 1. I'm headed to Munich and connecting to Asia. However, there's a strike causing my Lufthansa flight cancellation. We'll discuss this in another video. After the tax refund process and entering via fast track with Star Alliance Gold status, let's head to the Sala VIP PAU CASALS lounge. There are 2 lounges in the Schengen zone in Barcelona airport. You can find my report on the Sala VIP Columnar lounge in the link below. For first-timers in this airport, navigating to the lounge can be a bit tricky due to the super small sign. Turn right after the security and find this escalator to the 2nd floor. Here it is, Sala VIP PAU CASALS lounge. Accept priority pass and dragon pass. Surprisingly, this lounge is enormous, quite unexpected from such a small sign. Considering I've worked the whole day, let me queue for the shower room first before it's too late. The shower voucher has been handed over, and let me head to the shower room.
Okay, I'm in the shower room of the VIP lounge in Barcelona Terminal 1. So let's take a look. Alright, it's very clean, quite nice setup. See the amenities. Got quite many good things for the shower gel, for the lotion, for the facial soap. Oh, for face, good one. Got a hair dryer right here, and here is a toilet. Good one inside the toilet. You got the slippers. Wow, also the bathrobe. Is that too much? Got bathrobe in the shower room here. Some towels. On the other side, got the hangers and the shower facilities. Very clean, very nice. Alright, I will have a shower and facing my cancellation flight situation. See you later.
Some tips for you. Don't hurry to take off your clothes since you may need some extra amenities listed here.
Okay, just finished the shower. Very refreshing. So let's get to explore the lounge.
Let's explore the seating area if you turn left at the reception.
Alright, so let's take a look at the lounge. It's quite big for this one. And it's at a floor higher than the usual waiting area. Beautiful airport. Decoration and everything down here is just beautiful. Alright, let's take a look at the buffet area. So here's like a bar area, supply some nuts, olives, and the drinks. There's some meeting rooms here. And the chair is actually quite big, quite nice. Right, it won't be a good idea to filming here. However, this is like a business area or a cozy area. They got tables over there, maybe people are working. Also got a lounge chair, you can watch the view in the airport. I didn't see any hot meals. Let's find out.
Go right after the reception and you will find the buffet area. Before we unbox the food offerings,
I hope you've been inspired by my hard-working videos. Your like and subscribe to encourage me to provide more quality contents in the future.
Some bread with hams, cheese with bread, and some sandwiches.
and good selection of pastries and pies. These are tapas like cold appetizers and salads are available. Even more here, quite surprisingly for the offerings, even with famous JAMÓN Iberico. Crisps, snacks, and more bread here. You can probably have a full set of afternoon tea in this lounge. This is truly the best lounge in Barcelona. a variety of beverages to choose from. Including all these alcoholic drinks. I have no clue about their quality, but at least there are many options. These are what I got, personal tapas for my pre-boarding snacks. In summary, Sala VIP PAU CASALS lounge is the main lounge in Barcelona Airport Terminal 1. It doesn't have many hot dishes, maybe because it's not the right timing, but it is well maintained with a huge selection of food and drinks in a cozy environment. Highly recommend visiting this lounge. In my next video, I will fly to Munich via Lufthansa, A321neo in economy. What's the paid economy dinner box look like?
Stay tuned. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.